guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get Snapchat year in review 2020. So I'm in Snapchat camera. To get this review you have to tab here. Okay, and that's it. You can see here a look back at 2020. Just tap there. Okay, started with Johannes Bro. Then bonk, man filter, Snapchat, cockroach filter. Damn, what boat am I? This is mirror filter, I guess. Disney filter, cartoon filter.
Okay, so this is the enemy style filter on Snapchat. Good one.
Sausage filter.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is also again cartoon filter. So this was it, and if you want to save it, you have this save option here. Just tap on it and you can save it to your camera roll. And if you want to edit it, just tap on edit. Then you can remove a slide if you want. Let's remove this one. You can add some more snap. Let me add this one. Let me add this one. Not this one. Add this one. This one. Okay, this one. Let's add this one. Okay, I guess enough. So I think, yep. So let's add them. Okay, and let's arrange the position. To arrange them in position, just long press, then you can use drag and drop. Maybe filter was around January or February, maybe here. Realme was little before. Spaghetti also was little before. Cartoon and anime were, I think, nearby. This one also, I think, will go here. Okay, I think I'm in correct order now. Let's save it. Okay, now let's play it again. Okay. Okay, so we are in proper order now. So once you're done, again you can save it to your camera roll, and if you want to share it to your story, you can share it to your stories also. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can do this 2020 year in review in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.